And just so unique to have this corner unit with these mountain views and ocean views. Aloha everybody. So today I'm going to take you on another real estate tour of one of my favorite resort properties here on Maui, Honua Kai. I'm Jesse Wald, a real estate broker here on the beautiful island of Maui, and let's jump right into the details. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the 36 stack of Hokalani Tower at Honua Kai Resort and Spa. This is unit 736. Make sure to check out the description below for a link to all the listings currently available at Honua Kai. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, and it's a unique floor plan here at Honua Kai. And I just want to give you a quick walkthrough to show you what it's all about. So this is a corner stack. I'm going to come back to the interior and show you the bedrooms and bathrooms and how it's laid out. But to start, I just want to show you what makes this unit unique. Is one is it has just incredible mountain views from the corner, but also just spectacular ocean views. So it's one of these units that has best of both worlds with the mountain and ocean views. And just look how open this space is, how many windows and sliding glass doors there are. So I have the doors open to the lanai already to show you how it opens up to an indoor-outdoor space. And the lanai is just massive. Look at those big blue ocean views. So we're in between the Hokalani and Konea Tower. This is just a green space in between the two towers. And these buildings right here, that's the brand new Luana Garden Villas. Those are all 3-bedroom villa units. But look at the size of this lanai. Just huge. Okay, so let's go back into the inside. Give you an idea of what the interior layout looks like. Of course, living area right here. Nice open kitchen. Stainless steel Bosch appliances, which is typical for Honua Kai studios, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. I'd call this the back bedroom. And look at those lush green West Maui mountains. You also see Luana Garden Villas. So as you're laying in bed, this is, you're going to have those beautiful mountain views. Of course, Honua Kai units all are central AC. Stays nice and cool. Large 5-fixture bathroom, so 2 sinks, tub, and stand-up glass shower. This glass door also opens, so you have another door that folds open if you really want to invite the beautiful Maui weather into your space. Here's your primary bedroom. Opens up to the lanai. I do have those doors open right now. And your ensuite bathroom. So again, another 5-fixture bathroom with the 2 sinks, stand-up shower, and tub. Looks like an owner's closet here, lockable owner's closet. That way you don't have to travel with all your belongings every time you come. You just throw the items you want to stay on Maui in your closet, lock it up. Of course, more closet space out here. That one is another locked owner's closet. And for good measure, I'll show you where your washer and dryer is. And hot water tank right around the corner there as well. So, incredible floor plan here, just huge open spaces, lots of glass with natural light. Camera doesn't do it justice. It's hard for the camera to pick up the contrast of the bright or outdoor versus indoor, but it is nice and bright in this space. And just so unique to have this corner unit with these mountain views and ocean views. So that's it for this video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more property tours just like this one and other relevant real estate content here on Maui. And of course, if you're in the market to purchase property here on Maui, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be thrilled to be your advisor throughout the process. We'll see you on the next one. Aloha.